Hi, I'm Amy Koranek, a Sculpey Brand Ambassador. Let's take a look at Sculpey Glazes. Sculpey Glazes come in two finishes, a satin and a gloss, to cover whatever you want, make it look the way you want it when you're all finished. These are 1 ounce bottles. They're completely clear and dry to a shine. This is the gloss. If you want to apply it directly to your project, I've just opened the cap and I'll just squirt a tiny amount on top of my project. Then use a really clean paintbrush to brush it. Now, if you prefer, you can dip your paintbrush in some water, and this will give you a little bit more flow, but will also make your coating thinner. If you want to build up a super glossy finish, you'll want to apply several coats. Apply them very thinly, and then let 30 minutes go by between each coat. Glazes should be allowed to dry a full 24 hours before they reach their maximum super shiny finish.